In this video, I will share the number one mistake when installing track lighting systems. The video is quick and to the point. See our other videos for information on track issues and design guidance. So here we go. So here's a power track, L connector, a short piece of track, just to give you some ideas. So it looks like we could take this L connector and put it in this track and be all good. So now power's coming down and turning here and going into the power track. Well, no. Power may not be going into the power track, and this is the number one problem where they say, well, the track over on this side works fine, but the track here isn't working. Well, what's probably happening is the pins, we call them pins or contacts, on the L connector are not making contact inside the track. And in this track, the reason it's not is because when this got pushed in and even pulled out, the floating plastic parts that hold the copper bus bars moved. You can kind of see in here maybe where these things do move. So this is important. So sometimes when you push these connectors in, it actually pushes the track components on the inside, the bus bars and the rails that hold them, push them out. See here? So they're sticking out. Even if I push these back in, the copper bus bars are sticking out, so on the other end down here, this may not make contact. And you're like, well, what do I do about all of that? Well, what you need to do is you need to make sure that everything's lined up inside. I'm taking it from the other end and pushing it all in. I'm going to inspect it, make sure that the copper bus bars are in reasonably good location based on the fact that these pins, when put all the way in, are about right there. So that's important. And you're asking, well, when I push this back in, it's all going to move again. What we do here when we're hanging track is we take one of the light fixtures and we properly, and there's a whole video on the light fixture pins. We take the light fixture and we put it in the track and lock it in. Now what happens is it moved. So we got to make sure that when this goes in, everything doesn't move out on us. So I'm gonna take it and gently put it in, make sure nothing moves, and there we go. So now this light fixture has locked everything in here tight. That way when I put this in the end, it's not going to all move on me. And you're saying probably, well, what about this little piece here on the end? Doesn't that stop it? Hopefully it will, but it may just pop that right off. This is really a decorative piece. It really doesn't do anything. And I want to mention that if you take the screw here and drive it in too far, your track will warp out. And the same as the L connector. Don't drive the screw in with a power driver. Just gently put it in, not even tight, just gently put it in so that the connector stays in place. All this video is about is making sure your bus bars don't move when putting in a connector, because if they move too far, you're not making contact, then you're going to have a problem with your system when it's up on the ceiling. So try to avoid it before you even go up there. In some cases, we put track lighting fixtures, just one, in the track before we actually take it up onto the ceiling and hang it. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions on our products, please feel free to ask us. Use this email address for quick communication, support@totallightingsupply.com. We answer product questions all day long, Monday through Friday. However, if you ask questions on YouTube, it may be some time before we see it. Our videos are designed as an overview of our products, and we recommend hiring a qualified electrician for your project to ensure a safe installation. And as always, see the description for links to our website. See the product description on our website for important details, as well as updates and specifications. Also, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any new product information. We offer information, such as this video, and a level of service you will not find anywhere else. Consider using us for your project needs. All of us at Total Lighting Supply hope to hear from you soon.